Figma revolutionized the way designers construct the web, but what if I said it's now creating a splash in the stock market as well? From multi-billion-dollar takeovers to Silicon Valley hype, Figma is not only a design tool, it's an investor's new playground. But is it the next big tech stock or merely hype? Figma, the web-based collaborative design platform, has revolutionized the work of designers and developers worldwide. From tech giants to startups, Figma's real-time collaboration capabilities have won it the love of the industry. With its rapid growth continuing, investors and technology enthusiasts are now wondering, is Figma going public? Or is it already up for acquisition? Let's look at the current status, the recent developments, and what the future might look like for Figma stock. In 2022, Adobe revealed its intent to acquire Figma for close to $20 billion, sending shockwaves throughout the tech and financial industries. The deal, nonetheless, generated a variety of reactions. Some felt that Adobe was attempting to eradicate a rival, while others viewed it as an approach to solidifying its creative cloud platform. The announcement, too, created regulatory worries, as authorities feared the creation of a monopoly in the design software market. As the deal was being reviewed by regulators, Figma's design community was still split. Numerous Figma users were worried that Adobe would slow down Figma, make it less simple, and lose its collaboration advantage. Others envisioned opportunities for closer integration between Figma and other Adobe products such as Photoshop and Illustrator. Regardless of uncertainty, Figma user growth continued, and the company continued to make product updates and publish a roadmap. Through 2023 and into 2024, the Adobe Figma acquisition was subject to several delays as a result of antitrust probes in Europe and the US. The delays served to fuel rumors that the deal could be canceled. Should this occur, Figma is likely to turn to an initial public offering, IPO, considering its enormous valuation and robust market share. An IPO might unlock new opportunities for investors and potentially redefine the design software space. Investors are also closely monitoring Figma's actions. With a strong community support, repeat revenue, and evident product market fit, Figma has all it takes to be a tech stock juggernaut. Whether it is acquired or listed, its valuation already indicates that it can deliver huge returns. But like any tech investment, there are risks involved, most particularly in an increasingly competitive and rapidly changing design software industry. For stock market enthusiasts, Figma is an interesting opportunity. It's not only a design tool, it's an ecosystem that has revolutionized workflows for designers, developers, product managers, and marketers. Its potential stock can attract both growth investors and long-term supporters of the future of design tech. The trick is to remain aware and watch for any public statements from Figma or Adobe. Through now, Figma is still a private firm. No stock is listed on public stock markets, and only insiders or institutions access it in secondary markets. But this may soon change if the Adobe deal falls through and Figma opts for taking matters into its own hands with an IPO. Tech IPOs have been sluggish over the past few years, but Figma might be the one to rekindle interest given its solid fundamentals. The design and tech community watches on. If you're a designer working with Figma every day, or an investor looking for the next big stock, Figma's story is one of innovation, disruption, and possible high-stakes investing. Its narrative is far from finished, and whichever route Figma takes, it'll change the future of design and how we invest in it. Keep an eye out for further developments in Figma stock status, the Adobe acquisition, and coverage of how design technology is revolutionizing the future of creative industries. If tech investing or the future of software platforms are on your radar, Figma is one company you won't want to miss.